So Samsung has officially dropped teasers and images of the Galaxy M30s, which is coming with the brand new design and specifications, and Samsung is teasing it with the hashtag GoMonster, and that's I think is both for battery and performance. Okay, so starting things with the design, it's coming with a U-shaped drop notch which looks impressive because of really small chin and corners. It's just like Galaxy A70 in terms of front schematics. And what's more impressive is not so huge 6.4 inches Super AMOLED panel with Full HD Plus resolution. If that's not exciting for you, we now have the brand new rear design with rectangular-ish camera module, has 3 cameras and a fingerprint sensor. It's not that bad in my opinion. I mean, the design looks nice, has new color option, and also there is a headphone jack. It's back, guys. Specifications wise, it has the brand new Exynos 9611 CPU. The 96 Gen was on par with the Snapdragon 675, so you can assume it's gonna perform better than that. And 4/6 gigs of RAM with 64/128 gigs of internal storage, and the most exciting 6000 mAh massive battery. This is the largest battery Samsung ever put inside a smartphone. So yes, amazing CPU, amazing battery and amazing performance. Now what's more amazing is a 48 megapixel primary camera which can take images of resolution 8000 by 6000 and can also capture more light. That's a big sensor. So that's your Galaxy M30s officially by Samsung. It will be Amazon exclusive at least for India and will be priced at 15-16,000 Indian rupees. That's $240 US. Amazing phone, I think. Second important news coming in, Samsung just made their first 5G integrated SoC, the Exynos 980 official, and it's based on 8nm process. Interesting part is it supports 108 megapixel camera, which Samsung and Xiaomi announced a few weeks back. So you may see this in Samsung phones starting next year, maybe Galaxy A91 or Galaxy A81. Get ready. And at last, Samsung made the Galaxy Fold official once again. You can purchase it starting 6 September if you live in Korea, and it's coming to nearby markets really soon. That's all. Thanks for watching. I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.